thought you thought, demising all these parasites. Let them know it's all business when we rap a show. Don't offer smoke in this wicked ass West Coast. Not a player but a coach, it's my status. Been established in this game, I'm a savage. Salinas fighters, born and bred, striving to survive. Motherfucker on the streets, it's do or die. Releasing the tension is the way I vet my shit though. Keep it real, just facts when we gotta roll. Be up on those toes like that fucking thriller shit. I'm a 31st curse with that bloodthirst. Ghetto bird up in the sky, watching everybody's souls die. Cause it's a motherfucking dream of reality nowadays, every day. So watch out for that biatch shit. Ghetto bird up in the sky, watching everybody's souls die. Cause it's a motherfucking dream of reality nowadays, every day. So watch out for that biatch shit. It's like sitting alone in the corner of your crib, thinking if you didn't make it through life. Goddamn, sometimes I even wonder if I'm living in a fucking dream. Feeling like if I can't wake up, like if I'm fucking stuck in the twilight thing. Shaking up like that biatch shit, and creeping and crawling like a dead man. I'm fucking paranoid, changing my clip every day, like that big cutty lefty, changing his switches on his gangster thing. For this 2005, I gets up in the blizzard, representing G shit. That's why I say it's a motherfucking dream of reality. So live it up because you only live once. For this biatch shit, thug shit, get shit. So watch out for the ghetto bird up in the sky at midnight. Ghetto bird up in the sky, watching everybody's souls die. Cause it's a motherfucking dream of reality nowadays, every day. So watch out for that biatch shit. Ghetto bird up in the sky, watching everybody's souls die. Cause it's a motherfucking dream of reality nowadays, every day. So watch out for that biatch shit.
At one time my soul was hella tormented and twisted, fighting empty spirits and fucking with the devil. I was addicted, lost in the jungle like a wild beast. And there's nothing nice in the streets of the evil east when you playing with demons and practicing black magic, rolling around all drunk and hallucinating like a savage. Just waiting for anyone to act up so I can knock them up off the planet. When there's something to be handled, but I'll handle it. My way so slick like Doc Holiday. I got cutthroat homies from Salinas all the way to the bay. All I know is that hard shit, and they can't stop it. They can either love it, hate it, or jock it. I'm on a mission like a prophet. It's some game that's way too heavy. Playboy, I stay heated like a Chevy. Tearing up the block is so messy, so I stay lashing in my journal. Ever since I've been released from the inferno, obstacles in my way, I get over them like a hurdle. Yeah, that's how I do. Me and my crew, I push it down like a fool, messing with that voodoo. I thought you thought I can hit you with a spell and take your soul to hell and make you be like, well, cause life in my tierra is not the fairest, but I'm uprising, so they call me a terrorist.